I work for the Smithsonian Astrophysical Observatory. It's one of the largest astronomical institutions in the world. Anyone who takes data and turns it into an image of the sky is an astrophotographer. They don't even have to have their own telescope, but they just take data of the sky, wavelengths that you can't even see with your eyes, and convert it into an image. The way that I go about making images is basically go into the Chandra Data Archive and pull out data, and often combine it with data from other telescopes. We're taking something that you can't see with your eyes and translating it into something that you can see, using color as the main tool to do the translation. The real goal of these images is to convey the science behind the image. There's always a press release that goes out with them that explains what you're looking at. And our main goal is to make sure that that information is clear in the image. You can look at it and get the gist of it. The images really tell the story of what's going on in space. As an astrophotographer, I'm not trying to get my own viewpoint out there, but I am trying to help this organization to inspire people through science using these images. And so my decisions as an artist in this process, they are informed by art, color theory, and composition. I use that information to make decisions that then help me to best convey the science and to really inspire people to wonder about the universe, what is up there. It just opens a whole new dimension to space. I know when I was growing up, the images from Hubble were so inspiring to me. In particular, I remember the Pillars of Creation image, the Eagle Nebula. Images like that at that time, I really did not understand how they were made. You know, you look up at night, you don't see anything like that. And you can talk to a scientist about this. They can explain to you that while it's very dim, your eyes can't really integrate light the way a telescope can. But still there's like a disconnect between when you look up and what you see in these images. I try to keep that in mind when I'm working, that there are people who don't really understand what this means when you look at an image like this, that it's really there. It's not just made up. It's not a false image. It's data that's there. These are physical processes in the universe, and they're beautiful. There's so much beauty in this kind of science that it's almost overwhelming.